how to use Bitget social trading feature. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Bitget social trading feature. So what you have to do is open your Bitget app, then tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then since I don't have any funds, so you won't be able to see it on my screen, but if you already have fund in your accounts, tap transfer to move funds from a funding account into your spot or futures account depending on what you want to copy. Then tap the trade button at the bottom of your screen and then select copy. Then choose a trader. Once you choose your trader, tap the copy button on the trader's profile to open the setup screen and then select pairs. Once you select your pairs, choose your copy mode, whether you'd like to choose fixed amounts or multiplier, and then configure your max copy amount, stop loss, and take profit limits to cap your downside, and then tap follow or confirm to authorize. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.